Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to turn up volume on Google Maps so you can clearly hear navigation directions while traveling. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. This is the navigation app used for directions and real-time guidance while driving, walking, or riding. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your account menu where Google Maps settings are located. Step 3. Tap on Settings from the menu. This section lets you control app preferences and navigation behavior. Step 4. Tap on Navigation Settings. Here you can adjust how voice guidance and map directions work during trips. Step 5. Tap on Guidance Volume. This option controls how loud the navigation voice sounds while you are using Google Maps. Step 6. Select Louder to increase the voice guidance volume. This ensures you never miss important turn-by-turn directions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.